95 minutes.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos.
This is like incredible. This is going to be incredible.
If you came for thrills, you're barking up the right tree.
Slinky Dog Dash. Let's hope Andy wasn't the designer of the whole ride and that it's going to go crazy. Here we go, guys. Woohoo! Oh yeah, here we go. Climb this screen, man. Wow, Ash, you can see Star Wars Land, look. Here we go. That's it. That's it back.
We're about to do that bit back.
No, no, no.
Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my God! Wow!
Whoa! Cool. That's cool. That was really fun. That was cool.
Really good.
Don't forget your ears.
Step out to your right. So long, pal.
Don't forget your ears.
That was really good.
Excellent. Here is our vehicle.
That was really good.
Oh, hang on. Oh no, it's jammed. There we go. Something fell down, I think. Maybe not.
I think it might just been the
Strap. That was super fun.
That was really good.
Mr. Prickle Pants. Cool. Let's go. Yeah.
Go to where these lead spots.
Hello, guys. Rubik's Cube.
All of them are done with that. The system does it automatically down.
Oh yeah. I'd be like, right, I want to go on everything again.
Free of charge.
Seven. I don't like
7 out of
speed.
10. You don't like the speed?
I know the speed's getting faster.
Oh,
Yeah, the whole time it was going like that, I was just looking at the stars. I was turning.
I really enjoyed that.
Well,
Yeah, no,
there
it was
you
good,
go.
it was good. Yeah, that point I was looking over there. Go check our photos.
Someone go do it. Or maybe it's automatic and they know from the seat. I think we're doing that now.
Yeah.
Mega coaster kit. Dash and Dodge Mega Coaster.
Oh, there's another one about to go behind.
Oh, there we go.
There's a Rubik's
On the
Cube
lawn.
right there.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of fun stuff there.